Hello, this is an instructional video for Wednesday, March 16th. So you want to scroll down from the main page and find Unit 2, Getting a Job. Then come to Module 8. And then Day 3, March 16th. So let's start here in the sync folder. So what we are doing today during the Zoom session is we are doing mock interviews. This means we are doing practice interviews, okay? And so you should come to class dressed nicely with your hair combed. You should have a good background for your screen, for your camera. And you should prepare like this is a real interview. First, we're going to watch these two videos about do's and don'ts for in-person and virtual interviews. We're going to review some typical interview questions and responses. Now we're going to practice with a partner answering these questions. You'll click here to open the document. Okay, now here is our rubric. So after this, we will come together as a class and we will watch people do their mock interviews together and then click on this link for a rubric that tells us the different skills and how well each person did. So we will decide if the person's voice was loud and clear, did they need to improve, were they good, or were they excellent? Same thing for eye contact, body language, and background. So we'll do this for each person to kind of evaluate how well they did with their answers. Let's go back to the sync folder. Here's a dialog. So you click on this to open it. And you can take notes as you are working with your partner on answering these questions in the interview, so that when you do the real interview in the big group, you can look at this and be ready. Okay, let's look at the async. Okay, the first one is a Flipgrid about interview questions. You click here to join Flipgrid, and it takes you to the assignment. So you are going to answer these interview questions, 1, 2, and 3. You will record yourself in a video answering these questions. When you're ready to record, you click Add Response. Okay, then we also have a discussion activity about conjunctions. So you will write sentences using conjunctions: and, but, so, and or. Here's a reminder of what they mean. And you're going to write some compound sentences, right? That's where you have two clauses joined by a connector. Okay, here, if you need some extra help, you can start with these starter sentences, such as all of these. These can help you to start your sentences if you need extra help. Or if you just want to write your own sentences, you can. And so write your sentences here in this discussion post. That is the final activity for today, Wednesday, March 16th. Thank you so much for listening, and best of luck.